They did not get into the merits of this case. They simply said they got involved too soon. And in an extraordinary exchange of narratives attached to that very short decision by the court, punting it back down to the lower court, the justices really take shots at each other. There is intense, fiery language between Justice Samuel Alito, who says the court should have taken up and decided this case on the merits, should have struck down this challenge to Idaho's state ban, let them conduct abortions as they see fit. And Justice Jackson, the liberal on the bench, agreeing with Justice Alito, saying they should get into it, angry that the court has now delayed this. In the words of Justice Ketanji Brown-Jackson, she says this is not a victory for pregnant women in Idaho or across the country. She calls it a catastrophe. Diane, that's her word. She said the court had a chance to bring clarity to the situation and squander it, and women now in Idaho and a number of other states will continue paying the price. To be clear, Idaho was one of 6 states that does not allow an exception for an abortion in their ban when the health of a woman is at risk. Only if imminent death is on the horizon can an abortion be performed. And so while today in Idaho there's a reprieve on that front, doctors will be allowed to perform an abortion in an emergency if it's in their medical judgment that one is necessary to stabilize a patient in crisis. But 5 other states don't have that same exception. Those are left untouched, and it will at least be a couple more years, Diane, before this issue certainly will come back to the Supreme Court, and they'll have to tackle this question again.